Geordie news.
I think we've got a bit of environmental news now, because we've heard reports that that Bobby Peart, who was at the leek show, he had them leeks that were like the size of a bairn's leg. Well, apparently he's been using them like steroids on his leeks, and fertiliser, chicken poo and that, and we're gonna do him for that. Like, we're gonna take him out the back and give him a good chinning like we used to. Aye. It was better back in them days, there wouldn't be any this trouble with leaks and that. If we still had hanging, we'd have 'em up a bloody tree. Anyway, in other sport news, we found out that the winner of the pigeon race from last week has turned out to be like a golden eagle with a wig on, and he's been disqualified.
Geordie news. See you next week.